I'm Brandon Shepard with the EV Conversion Project. I'll be taking you through a full demonstration of the drive system, just going all the way from the control panel to ultimately driving the wheels and the transaxle. If you want to come over here, you see the control panel that we built. This is going to take the place of a full implementation on a vehicle. However, this will be all of the components and accessories that are going to be needed to facilitate said run. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to first turn on the system, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hear the contactors engaging. And those are them right there. So the number 1 and number 2 contactors that ultimately provide power up to the motor, or to the controllers, to the controllers, have now been energized. I'll take you through this real quick. These are our indicators. This is for controller 1 and controller 2, and this is how they will communicate with the operator of the system. And we have various things that we can run through here. So we're showing a voltage of 100.2. Right now, as all 8 of our batteries are fully charged. Motor temp, controller temp, and those are just minimum and maximums that we can run through. And then those are RPM that each controller is going to sense coming off the motor via our cam module. So what we can do now is we select a forward direction for our motor to drive, and then this will be our throttle. As I manipulate the throttle, ultimately what's going to happen is power will be applied to the motor. The motor will turn the transaxle, which will in turn turn the wheels. So cameraman, go ahead and point up to the wheels, and I will go ahead and throw the throttle forward. And as we will see, the motor starts turning and the transaxle now turns. So this will be a forward direction of the vehicle. The transaxle we have currently locked out in 3rd gear. So we have basically a 1-to-1 turn ratio of motor to tire rotation. And right now we're sitting at about 400 RPM. And we take this up higher, we can run it up to 1,000. The motor has a full rating capacity of 6,500 RPM. So right now we're sitting at 1,000 RPM, and for this purpose of this test, and as far as safety procedures go, this will be where we stop. We can obviously go higher than this. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and let it wind down. We stay on this control panel, and we go ahead and select this reposition switch. We can go into reverse and then go back up to the tires. So using the same throttle in the same manner, we go in now reverse. And we'll go ahead and shut it down right there. And then we come back here and we'll just go through the shutdown sequence, put that back into what we can call a neutral setting, and then disengage and turn our system off. Thank you.